Hey everyone, and welcome to Conics. Are you obsessed with cars and dreaming of turning that passion into a real business? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start your own auto parts business, step by step, even if you have zero experience. We'll cover everything from finding the best suppliers to building a brand that people trust, and I'll share some secrets to turning your love for cars into serious profit. Starting an auto parts business is one of the smartest moves you can make, both for car enthusiasts and for anyone looking for a stable income. Think about it. The automotive industry is always running. Cars, trucks, and motorcycles constantly need repairs, maintenance, upgrades, and replacement parts. It's a market that's always in demand. This video is your complete guide. We'll walk through everything you need to launch a successful auto parts business. First up, we'll dive into market research. How do you figure out what parts are selling like hotcakes? We'll explore how to identify high-demand products and find your specific niche. Do you want to focus on classic cars, performance tuning, or maybe off-road vehicles? Finding your specialty is key to standing out. We'll talk about the difference between OEM, which means original equipment manufacturer parts, and aftermarket parts, and the pros and cons of selling each M. Knowing your product inside and out is the foundation of your business. Next, let's talk about suppliers. This is a big one. Your business is only as good as the parts you sell, so finding reliable, high-quality suppliers is crucial. I'll show you where to look for them, what questions to ask, and how to negotiate the best prices. We'll discuss building strong relationships with your suppliers because that can give you a huge advantage, like getting access to new products before your competitors. We'll also cover the logistics of inventory management. You don't want your money tied up in parts that aren't selling, so we'll look at smart strategies to keep your stock lean and profitable. Whether you're using a dropshipping model or holding your own inventory. Once you have your products, it's time to build your brand. What will your business be called? What's your logo going to look like? Your brand is so much more than just a name. It's the feeling and the promise you give to your customers. We'll brainstorm how to create a strong, memorable brand that connects with car lovers. We'll also talk about setting up your store. Should you open a physical brick-and-mortar shop or start with an e-commerce website? We'll weigh the pros and cons of both, and I'll give you some insider tips for designing a user-friendly online store that makes it easy for customers to find and buy what they need. Of course, no business can succeed without customers, so we'll spend a good amount of time on marketing and sales. How do you get the word out and attract your first customers? We'll go over powerful, low-cost marketing strategies, from using social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok to showcase cool car builds and new parts, to content marketing like blogging or creating YouTube tutorials. We'll discuss how to use online forums and car communities to build authority and drive traffic to your store. Plus, I'll share some tips on providing amazing customer service that turns one-time buyers into loyal, repeat customers who recommend you to all their friends. Finally, we need to talk about the numbers. What are the real startup costs? We'll break down a realistic budget covering things like business registration, website development, initial inventory, and marketing expenses. Understanding the financial side is essential for planning your launch and ensuring long-term success. By the end of this video, you will have a complete, clear roadmap. You'll know exactly what steps to take to go from just a car enthusiast with a dream to a successful business owner. You'll have the confidence and the knowledge to launch your own thriving auto parts business. So, if you're ready to stop dreaming and start building, make sure you stick around. This is going to be packed with valuable information you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Canucks, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future guides. Let's get started.